I'm Melissa.
And I'm Lisa.
We're realtors in the Shenandoah Valley.
We love where we live, and we can't wait to show you.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm with Jason Brinkley, who's the general manager of Factory Antique Mall. Melissa and I are so excited to be here. This place is a favorite of mine because I feel like I get sucked into the most beautiful vortex and I never want to come out. I think this is the largest.
So this is the largest antique mall in America.
Yeah. Okay.
We're very fortunate because we're conveniently located.
Okay.
So you couldn't ask for a better location where this facility is, which we're in the heart of Shenandoah Valley. We're only 5 miles from the interchange to go to Richmond and for 81 and 64.
Yeah.
But it's extremely easy to get here. You just get right off the exit and with 1 minute you're right here.
Yeah.
So we're very blessed. We're very tourist driven too.
Mm-hmm.
So if you go out there and look at all the license plates from all different states, and we get people from all different parts of the world and everywhere,
Yeah.
and so it's not uncommon for people to make the trip for hours, coming for the day, to spend with us, which is it's pretty cool considering Verona's not. It's not like a metropolis,
It's
very
not.
big.
That's what's amazing to
awesome.
me.
Yeah.
So how old were you when you decided, I'm going to grow up and have the largest antique mall in America?
Yeah, so that did not happen overnight. That's not something that I had a goal with or whatever.
Yeah.
After I graduated from JMU, I actually wanted to work
okay.
with youth. So I helped run a program for juveniles, a step-down program. And so I did that for 5 years, thinking I wanted to go into juvenile probation for some odd reason and try to help youth and all that stuff. So that's what I did. I got married and kind of like, what, I've done my time. I've helped some youth and done that and everything. I want to move on and use my business administration degree. Went to graduate in JMU, and it's like, I kind of want to do that. And then this just kind of fell. They were looking for someone, and I was always, as a kid, I was always in the mornings, on the Saturdays, my parents would take me to all the auctions in Woodstock. I'm from Woodstock, Virginia.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Going north, it's about 50 minutes from here in
You grew
Shenandoah
up
County.
on the antique hunt
I grew
circuit.
up,
Yes.
it was every morning, what auction are we going to hit? And then I loved it because then I was able to get some baseball cards or get some football cards or get some stuff, and they'd give me a couple bucks, and this is all you have or whatever if you want to get this. And that yard sales and things like that as a kid, but I was always looking forward to getting that hot dog and that soda and those chips, when you were going to auction when I was a kid. So kind of brought up into that. Was not an expert by no means in antiques or collectibles or anything like that, but took over it over 21 years ago when it was only 65,000 square feet. So this part back here didn't exist. The part in the back didn't exist. That didn't exist. It was 65,000 square feet.
Where are you now with square footage?
150,000.
And how many vendors do you have? Are they from all over the country or local?
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
where do they all
So
come from?
predominantly are from Shenandoah Valley.
Okay.
But we do have some as far as Florida.
Okay.
We have them up in Pennsylvania. We have one who moved to Maine and had their stuff in other antique places, and they're like, we really miss it. We want to come back. So they're coming back from Maine just to bring stuff here
Wow.
because they know how well we can help sell.
Well, that was so interesting.
They have a mushroom and sausage soup that is to die for. They need to name it the Jason. They don't. They've got that one. They have this really good one that is a little spicy. It's like a chicken corn chowder with that sausage. It's whatever that sausage you call it. I don't know.
Chorizo? or-
Yes.
It is
Oh.
one.
Yeah, French toast
Yeah.
sandwich.
Oh.
See people get that a lot, and it's interesting because you would
Oh,
think, but how
yeah.
they do it, you know, homemade French toast, made
like
with sourdough, stuffed with scrambled eggs, choice of meat, like all that in there. The wraps are really good. Everything on here, like you're not going to go wrong. But everything's so fresh.
So what do you two recommend?
French toast sandwich is my favorite of all.
I love our barbecue. Our barbecue is really good, and their chicken salad. I love our chicken salad.
And you were saying the desserts are also too.
They make them from scratch. Like, and they can't keep their also our deals.
Thank you. Look at that. Look at that. We were going to do a sample.
I know.
But we ordered the exact same thing.
It's too funny.
But this was recommended, so
Yes.
we have the soup of the day and the chicken salad.
Chicken salad.
All right, so we're gonna dig in. That was really good.
Very tasty.
This is really, really good. It's got that homemade. I mean, it is homemade, so really yummy. We made a good choice.
We did. It was a great lunch. Did you like yours?
Oh my gosh, it was so good.
Very good. Very hot. The soup was good.
I'm a soup person.
Yeah.
Like that's my jam. I love making soup. That was an excellent soup.
It was very good. Very
Yeah,
good soup.
yeah. And I feel like I'm ready to shop.
So I say we go kind of prep for a few houses that are coming on the
Yeah.
market soon and look for some specific stuff that we can find to add some accent pieces.
And I think maybe what we can do is talk more about staging, because I think that might be helpful for people.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to it.
Let's do it.
Thank you.